This lesson will describe NTDC Administration Report Number 3, Longline Length Frequency by Species. To run the report, we would click on the Reporting button in the main menu and the NTDC Administration button in the Reporting menu, and then select Report Number 3, Longline Length Frequency by Species. We would then fill in the appropriate parameters gear, year, and species. However, this report only runs in countries where detailed port sampling data entry takes place. And as there are no countries currently entering detailed port sampling data, this report does not yield any results. In the future, the report will be available on request. It will be useful for scientific or other general fishery reports. It may also be used by the NTDC to check port sampling. That concludes this lesson.